It's all about humanity.
Got the block screw out here, people. Welcome, 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 Dank fam. It is your boy Mike Diesel. We are out on the Clap 2025 Ninja Zx6r. This is a very special day. My first stunt show on this bike, but also my first walk around of how clapped out this bike is since I've gotten it and been riding it. So to first start off, the frame, as you guys remember, has been destroyed and broken. So we didn't run a cage for a while, started breaking a lot of extra shit, so I went ahead and put a cage on. And the way I did that is using one of these RSC pegs. I cut it up and made like a spacer for my frame. That way it's not having the gap where the cage bolts into the motor. So basically, long story short, the cage is directly bolted into the motor. It doesn't have a frame to brace it, and it's very sketchy. So in the back, we got chunks missing. In the back, we got the seat is missing a lot of metal for the subframe. The seat is ratchet strapped on. I don't know why I'm here in public with this bike, but it rides decent, so that's what we're doing. All right, the show is beginning. First rider is gonna be on the Harley. Then we're gonna have the Supermoto, and then we're gonna have Gage, and then we're gonna have me in the end. And then after all the solo runs, we're gonna have everybody all at once in the middle. And that'll just basically be all of us winging it, trying not to clip each other. Bike's just slowly leaking. All right, first bike up. Got Tony P on the mic over here. Oh, I seen it coming.
I just want to make a note that this dude is on a Harley Sportster 883, which is like the weakest Harley to try burnouts on. So the fact that he's getting this tire to spin is insane to me.
Next up, we got Jitty on the 250. He's got some cool tricks up his sleeve. Is he gonna be 636 Jitty? Have we talked about that? He's got a new gen 636 he's building. That's gonna interfere with his current Instagram name. All right, starting off with some smooth seat standers on the Sumo. A little bit trickier than a regular sport bike because it's more of a toothpick. Oh, hell yeah. A little crowd stall, saved it from tipping. A little rev, give us a jump. Boom. Right back into some seat standers, a little toe tack. Oh, straight to the foot brake. He's steezy with the foot brake, I can't lie. Oh! Oh! That went nowhere. And of course, we got SC blocks. Let's go! With that R7. Man had the MT07, FZ07 with 2 tricks last time we rode. Now he's out here killing it. That bike is dummy clean. Kickstand! First trick! Yeah, with the donuts. He's got me wanting to burn off this Euro grip so bad.
Damn, Obi.
Not only the seat, but the f***ing chain as well pops off the Ninja. So I had to resort to pulling the Suron out for the first show.
Yeah! Let's go!
I'm not much of a show rider, I just kind of rage out, so whenever you see me doing a stunt show, I usually do some sketchy shit like this.
Oh, it's Tobias! I'm like so focused on not hitting you. I was like, shit. I didn't either.
This is by far the most rewarding part of doing shows, just getting love from the crowd and giving it back to them.
Last show, people! First show, as you guys know, my chain popped off. Second show, we actually went ham. Third show, we're gonna do it right, do it tight. I'm trying to sync up with the SC boys. If I can get some, if we can get the triple tip touch, oh my God. Woo! Nice and close with that. Oh, this is crazy. right, we're getting the hoverboard. Yeah.
It helps them, you, like they help me. So if you're ever struggling, no, it's on the back, Zx6r. I'd rather listen to you than read about you. So please, your life is worth everything. The world's a better place with you in it. So please, don't ever forget that. We love you guys.
Yeah! We saved it, we saved it. There's no alcohol involved.
I know I didn't have much of an outro, but huge shout out to the boys that put together this show and the massive crowd that came out to Greenville Harley to support the event. Thank you guys so much. I had a blast. Like always, keep it dank. Later!